Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tino Ola, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade tiger nut milk. Fresh, simple and healthy. So if you're in Nigeria, it's popularly called Hausa nut or Aki Hausa. You find it amongst Malams and the Hausa people in the market if you like to get one, and you can get it in the organic fresh state. But for today's video, I'm going to be using this one that I got from Amazon, and it's about 0.45 kg. It's the tiger nut. It's in a dry state right now. So what I would do is to soak it overnight, or you can just soak it for about 4 to 6 hours. That should be fine. And for this video purpose, I will just use half of this to make the milk, and we'll see what we can get out of it. This tiger nut is really nutritional, especially for those that are vegans, lactose intolerant. It's a non-dairy milk, so it's very good. You should try it out. And for anyone that would like to try out a new milk taste, it's a great one. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome. Please click on the notification bell and click on the subscribe button so you know whenever I release a new video. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. I love you guys. God bless. So let's get into the video and see what milk we can make. Here is the tiger nut I soaked overnight for rehydration. Dates. Make sure you remove the seeds from the dates before blending. I'll be using just 2 ingredients. Feel free to add coconut or ginger if you want a different taste. Blend the nuts and dates to a smooth paste. Also add water if it's too thick. Once it's done blending, pour the paste into a sieve with a bowl underneath the milk. You can also use a milk cloth to extract the milk. Some of the nutritional benefits of tiger nut is it's commonly used amongst Nigerian men to increase sexual activities. It helps with your digestive system. It is a prebiotic which basically boosts your good bacteria in your gut, and also it reduces your blood pressure, your blood sugar, and increases the good cholesterol in your system. It has a lot of nutritional benefits. Here's the first milk I got, but I'm going to pour the shaft back into the blender, add some water, and blend to further get more milk. Serve the milk right away using a jug or a narrow mouth container to avoid spillage. After extracting all the milk from the paste, I got 4 creamy, healthy tiger nut milk. And guess what, guys? You can also use the chaff to make flour. It's definitely worth every penny. If it settles after some time, feel free to mix it and then that should be fine. Keep the milk in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before drinking because you will enjoy it when it's more chilled. Or you can just add some ice cubes if you can't wait to drink it like myself. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.